There's something about it when you're watching them, everything else kind of fades away and you're totally present in the moment. It's just incredible. And I don't really remember a time in my life where I was not just totally obsessed with whales. When our orcas in Puget Sound and the Salish Sea were listed as endangered, it became very real that they needed a lot of help.
A mother orca whose calf died after birth is still carrying her baby 17 days later.
The calf was the first in the 3 years to be born to the dwindling population of endangered southern resident killer whales.
Is there anything that we can do?
Everyone was asking, what can I do and how can I help? And people really felt powerless. We had enjoyed all those moments watching those whales, and now it's our turn to really give back and improve their lives. What we're trying to do at Whale Scout is draw the connection between orcas and our ecosystems. We know that the biggest thing that we can do to help the whales is to provide more salmon to eat. But what not a lot of people know is that all of us that live in urban areas around Puget Sound, we're actually living in salmon habitat. We can do things in our own backyards that help the salmon.
So we brought some new trees to be putting in the ground for today. Including more of these trees on your property is going to be great. It's going to help shade the stream. It's going to help with some of that erosion. The root systems are designed and built to hold the stream banks. What we're doing here, planting these trees, is going to be really helpful for the salmon.
A lot of the trees on this property my mom planted when she was little, and now they're just huge. So it's really cool to be able to plant some trees now that I might not see how large they grow, but they'll be a legacy to this property. And we have children out here planting trees and pulling out blackberries, and they're really getting motivated and conscious of how to help the salmon and the whales.
These trees are really important to our salmon, and they're important to all of us too. These are long timelines that we're dealing with. Even though we should have started a long time ago, the next best time is right now.